Okay, I'm going to demonstrate some of the upgrades of the modern GATS. This is an older system that was upgraded, and I've got my portable reservoir on this balance. I'm going to be testing a tampon, and I'd like to emphasize some of the main differences. So, most importantly, the system will now log the balance whenever it's teared or overshoots or undershoots, so that it will log during the day, and if it overfills by a few milligrams, it'll underfill on the next test. So it's always keeping it extremely precise. Another significant improvement is the system records the slide height now, so I've got it at 7.1. I'm going to type that in to the software, 7.1 centimeters, and that will now be recorded, and as the system adjusts the plate height, it will move up and down during testing. This value will correspondingly change. It will increase or decrease with the slide. So you'll always know the height of your test plate. And I'm going to use a wide opening here, a 1/4 inch opening for the water to deliver quickly to the tampon, and it's a concave opening here, so this will always roll to the center. A new test method to start as well is when I start the test, I'm going to place the tampon, the plate will lower, and then the system will pinch the valve. So because of the dip, which forms a meniscus, and the pinch, you're guaranteed to make contact between the fluid and the tampon. It's very easy to do. So I just type in the name, call this tampon, hit run test, enter my name. It automatically time and date stamps each file name. So I've got 2023 June 20th, tampon 000, and that number will increment every time I run a test, so I don't have to keep typing in the name. Put the sample on the pedestal, grab that weight, weigh that, grab the weight. I'm instructed to remove the sample to the test plate. Okay, it's on the test plate. And then it tells me to weigh the sample, which will dip the plate, and then pinch. And there you see it growing and absorbing. You see the balance recording the amount of water absorbed, and it's lowering the test plate correspondingly very quickly. You can see this turning. Here's the motor turning that as the tampon swells while it's absorbing fluid, and it's graphing real time. And in the new software, we can graph up to 20 files at a time, which is more than enough. And I'm running this test by time, so it'll end at 250 seconds, so we don't have to watch the whole thing, but basically just to get the idea. Very simple to run, and I see the proportional absorbency, so it's absorbed 20 times its mass, and the true weight is absorbed 23 grams of water, and its proportional mass is 5.3, 5.4, 5.5 times its mass. And I can interchange the graph to show proportional absorbency, which I have now, so it's absorbed 5 times its mass, or I can just show the absolute volume of water absorbed, and that's now almost 30 grams absorbed, and it's recording 5 points a second. I prefer the proportional absorbency. So these are very helpful tools, and there are others, but I wanted to give a quick snapshot of the modern software and its improvements over earlier versions, and its precision improvements as well. Thanks for watching.